My dog has always been so proud of himself for retrieving things.
This is Hank. He's a golden retriever, and his owner likes to tell us that sometimes Hank can be a little bit weird. I bathed him in our de-shedding shampoo, and then I rinsed him off. He gets on the table, and he forgets that he knows how to stand. As the table goes up, he gets very concerned and begins to slide. Then he realizes he does know how to stand, and we fully blow dry him. He doesn't like it much, so he faces the wall. After that, I brush him with my coral brush and my undercoat rake. I clip his nails, and I tidy up his very hairy paws. I shave out his paw pads, and then I do some doggy detailing. I tidied up his chest using my sea comb, and then I rounded up his ears. I do some blending, spray him in our Jelly Bean cologne, and Hank is all finished, looking handsome. We love his weirdness.
I just realized I've had Ruger for 5 years and Lola for 12, and I've never told them my name.
My name's Taylor.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to. 'Cause you know that, baby, I'm your biggest fan. I'll follow your example.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
You got a question? All done walking for today, Buns. Park later. All done walk. Yeah, we're home now. Yep, exactly. We're home now. Oh, I love you too, Bunny. I love you too. Come here. Come here. Oh.
Come on, Leon. Dave? Leon, come here. Leon. Come here, bubbies. Come on, bubbies. Come on.
Look at my happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy.
I don't wanna die, but I don't wanna live like this. I just wanna feel something, I just wanna feel. I just wanna feel something, I just wanna feel something really real, so that I can really feel like a person again.
Stranger.
Still don't know my name.
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
Look at my happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
she's sleeping peacefully. And I can say just about anything except 3 things. If I say the word CHICKEN, she will wake up. If I ask her if she wants to go OUTSIDE, she will wake up. If I ask her if she wants to go RIDE in the CAR, she will wake up. Anything else I say, she's not waking up. Steak, beef, hamburger, peanut butter. She loves salmon. Salmon skin, bone, dog treat. Oh, if I say the word WALK, she'll wake up. What else do dogs like? She likes pretzels. If I mention one of her TOYS, she'll wake up. So let's try this out. I've said a bunch of things, mentioned different kind of food she likes, but I know she loves CHICKEN, chicken.
Stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. I'm a shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing by.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own. And
give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're wonderful, flawless, ooh, you a sexy lady. But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else. Ooh, whoa. I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine. Fine, so fine. Ooh, whoa.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. He
Weird things my dog does that don't make sense.